Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question that is 1905 count sub-islands. And before starting into the video, the same drill, please hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, hit the like button, let the YouTube algorithm know that we are creating content, and it will automatically suggest it to newbies or which are just started into the programming, which are going to start into the programming world. Okay, so let's, without wasting any time, let's just start the question that is count sub-islands. We'll be given two m cross n binary matrices, grid 1 and grid 2, containing only zeros and ones representing land. And an island is a group of ones connected four directionally. Any cells outside of this grid are considered water cells. Okay, an island is grid 2. An island in grid 2 is considered a sub-island if there is an island in grid 1 that contains all the cells that make up this island in grid 2. And we have to return the number of islands in grid 2 that are considered sub-islands. Okay, so for example, we are having this particular island in grid 1, 1, 1, 1, and all of this. And this particular island is, let's say, one island, and this can consume whole of this island. So yeah, we are having one island. Then we are having this island, and let's say these two are some different islands. So this island can consume this whole island. Then further, this single is an island, but to consume this island, it should have been more broad. So our output comes out to be 3 because only 3 islands can be fully submerged into each other. Okay. So for this, we'll be doing a DFS traversal in both the grid 1 and grid 2. Firstly, we'll be marking the indices in grid 2, and then we'll be checking that if okay we can form the sub islands from the grid 1. Okay. So firstly, let's have directions uh, matrix that will basically tell us just the direction 0 1 1 comma 0 0 comma okay 0 comma minus 1 and hmm, minus 1 comma 0. Okay, now what we can have is firstly let's have the m and the n variables. M is equal to grid 1 dot length and n is equal to grid 1 0 dot length. Okay, so now uh, okay, for int I equal to 0, I less than m I plus plus, then for int j equal to 0, j less than n j plus plus, then I'll be checking that if my grid of I grid 1 sorry grid 1 ij is 0 and my grid 2 ij is equal to 1. Okay, in this case I need to fill it. So I'll be calling a function that is, let's say, empty the island. Okay, and then I'll be passing here the grid 2 my I and j. Okay, firstly I'll be writing this function afterwards. Now again what I'll be doing is I'll be having a count variable to store the count of islands. Then for I'll just copy this. It's all seems just one thing which we have to make. Okay, and here I'll increment. Yeah, the function call will be the same, and here I'll be incrementing the count. Here I'll be checking that okay both should be one, and only that case the island is possible, and then I'll be calling the incrementing the count as well. Okay, so and at the end I just have to return count. And now let's quickly write this function that is private void empty island. It's island only, yeah. So I'll be having a grid, row, and column. Okay, and I'll be firstly filling that grid of ij is equal to 0. Then what I'll be doing is I'll be traversing in the four direction for in direction and directions. Int x that will be equal to row plus dir 0, and int y that will be equal to column plus dir 1. Okay, and then what I'll be checking is that if the basic condition which we need to check, that if x is greater than or equal to 0 and x is less than grid dot length, and y is greater than or equal to 0 and uh, y is less than grid 0 dot length, and the grid of xy should be equal to 1, and only in that case I need to call the function that is empty island with the parameters as grid x and y. Okay, now let's give it a run. Okay, grid ij cannot, oh sorry, grid row call, row column, these two errors. Okay, now let's give it a run. Yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.